Saan na? We ordered, ano ba to? DoorDash or Uber Eats? Huh? Uber Eats.
I don't use DoorDash.
And the robot is on the way.
Akio.
Ang pangalan?
Akio.
Akio? Ito minto. Ito na yung delivery, ano?
What are you talking about?
Ay, hindi. Matanda pala to. Si Akil. Doon manggagaling, di ba? Nagalaw na, oh.
Orange pa lang yan, orange.
Na-stuck. Ano yan?
Orange.
Orange. Akala ko central. Psst. Is it this guy? No? Hey, where's my order? Hey. Hey, stop.
How do you get it?
I don't know.
Ano kaya?
Ano ba sabi? Ayun, Uber Eats, full hot. Use the app to unlock. Unlock, yan ah. Hello.
Unlock.
Press it. Oh, ayun pala eh.
What do I do?
Open it. Yeah, I got it. Hawa ko. Yan lang? Wala na? What's that?
Did you get a picture?
Lift the lid. Okay na. Ayos ko dyan.
Sarado na ba yan?
Yes. Push down to lock. I thought I did.
No, you have to push that down.
Which one? This? What? Ayun na.
Okay na.
Okay.
On your way.
Ang bilis, no? It's